Nagendra, Pranjal, keep your camera on.
With the help of molecular orbital theory, MOT. Draw the molecular structure. Draw molecular structure of
Simran and Jia also, please turn on your camera.
O2 and calculate bond order. Calculate bond order. Now see, this is the language of question. Mean this molecular orbital theory can come in this language. This is the language that can come in your final exam also with the help of MOT. Draw molecular structure of here.
Keep your camera on.
So, dear student, I am telling you, here I have taken example of O2. Maybe in the exam it can be N2, F2 or anything. For example, question can come helium 2. Question can come nitrogen, beryllium 2. There can come nitrogen 2. It can come oxygen 2, F2. Okay. But I am taking example of O2. The way I will explain O2, you can explain these different element, and this is your assignment today. This is your homework today. Yesterday also I have given some structure. Hope so you did that. Okay. Now the question is step by how we will do. The step 1, to calculate molecular orbital theory, you must know the general configuration of O2 first. In O2, as I told already, this is molecule. It can be formed by a combination of 2 atoms. So we will write 2 atom, configuration of 2 atoms. There is one oxygen, there is second oxygen. You know very well how many electrons are there in one oxygen? 8. It means that 2 times 8, 8 is there. If 2 times oxygen is there, then you will write electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. If you draw it in orbital, we can draw it like this way: 1s2, 1s2, then again 2s2. As you know that we are representing orbital in this way, in this side, inside this box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Have you understood this thing? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now step 2. In step 2, we will do what? We will represent these orbital structure. We will represent representation of orbital configuration in M, on basis of MOT, on the basis of molecular orbital theory. The molecular orbital theory is saying what? Molecular orbital theory is saying we will draw the molecular orbital structure from lower to higher order. Lower to higher order. Lower is what? Here 1s, here I will draw 2s, here I will draw 2p. Mean what I have drawn here, 1s, 2s, 2p, that I will draw from down. 1s, 2s, 2p. Now see how to draw. This is 1s structure. This is 2s, and this is little bit space. So you know very well what is this. Yes. Have you seen this type of diagram somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We have already drawn when I was explaining you the molecular orbital theory, na? So no problem. See, this is both sides you will make same.
Jia, keep your camera on. Nagendra, you also. What makes you disable your cameras?
Those students whose name is coming again and again, 2 times, 3 times, if their name will come, I am going to remove them from the class. So please listen and follow the instruction carefully. Okay, now dear student, up to this is empty MOT. I haven't filled any electron, but I will fill electron according to this configuration. See now, once you have made this, you have 2 oxygen. One oxygen is this, second oxygen is this. Same way, one oxygen I will make this side. This is my one oxygen. And second oxygen I will make this side. Because 2 oxygen is there. So this oxygen, first oxygen, which is first oxygen, that is simple. Second oxygen I am making star. So let's make star on second oxygen. Okay. Here also 1s star, 2s star, 2p star. The without star, that is first oxygen. With star, that is second oxygen. Now first oxygen configuration. How many electrons are there in? Yes, how many oxygen are there in first oxygen? First one is 2. I will draw 2 here. Then 2s, 2 here. Then 2p, 4 here. Same. You can make same. This side also. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the thing is there, when 2 oxygen will come closer, for example, 2 oxygen are coming closer, these 2 oxygen are coming closer, think it practically, एक ऑक्सीजन और 2 ऑक्सीजन जब नजदीक आएंगे एनवायरनमेंट में तो वो कंबाइन होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. This oxygen, for this one oxygen, 2 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, empty. Similar way, second oxygen, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, empty. Okay, when these 2 will come closer, so 2 oxygen will somewhere exchange or distribute their electron to each other and mutually they will come closer to each other like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. ऐसे होगा ये. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let me make the dot structure. In dot structure, one oxygen है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this way. Dot structure, you know that outermost shell. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will satisfy 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will satisfy 8 electrons. It means that these 4 electrons are common electron between both the oxygen. So that thing we need to draw here. Okay. So simply we will draw once again here. Like this way. Both. कहने का मतलब है कि that this box is this and this box is this. Same way we will make. And here also, if when we are going to draw, Z we will draw outside and PX we will draw inside. This is Z, this is PX. Then again Z, PX. Okay. Now we will give configuration. Now up to this it is very simple. Now you need to take care. Here we will give new configuration. Like here you have given 1s, 2s, 2p. Here we will give configuration on the basis of sigma and pi. Sigma and pi. Sigma is what? Sigma bond. और जब ये combine होंगे तो bond से ही combine होंगे ना. When it will combine, so it will form bond. You know very well 2 atoms will combine, form molecule with the help of bond. So which type of bond? There are 2 types of bond. Sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond is always head to head. Pi bond is side by side. Okay. Sigma bond will form always single and pi bond will form double and triple bond. So that we need to see. So sigma and pi. So right here, sigma 1s. Here you write sigma star 1s. Sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, 2s, 1s. पता लगना चाहिए बेटा कि ये कहाँ से हुआ. Then here, you know very well this z is always sigma 2pz, but this is pi 2py and pi, sorry, 2px and 2py, whereas it is pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and this is sigma star 2pz. Any doubt here? You can ask from where this came. Any doubt? So that, okay, if there is no doubt, now see how to fill these electron in this. Beta, you can see two sign is there. One is this, second is this, right? Two type of electron sign symbol is there. One toward up, one toward down. If you will see carefully, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? It means that this is spinning. This is spin. These are the spin of electron. This is clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. So always electron spin in two direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, and both the different directional electron will remain in one shell. So those electron which is clockwise, जिसकी direction upward है, ध्यान से रखना है. Upward, that we need to fill here down. Which is downward, नीचे की तरफ को है, that will fill in up. ऊपर को जिसकी डायरेक्शन है वो नीचे वाले में फिल करेंगे, जिसकी डायरेक्शन नीचे को है वो ऊपर वाले में फिल करेंगे. बस ऐसे फिल करते जाना है. Now see, this is we will fill here and this side one that will fill here. लेकिन यहाँ अगर वो डाउनवर्ड बनाना है, यहाँ आप अपवर्ड नहीं बनाएंगे उसको. ठीक है, तो ये और ये हो गए. सेकंड डाउन that will fill here. और कुछ नहीं करना आपने, क्योंकि अब इस ऑक्सीजन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन उस ऑक्सीजन के एक इलेक्ट्रॉन के साथ बॉन्ड बना चुका है. इस ऑक्सीजन का दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन इस ऑक्सीजन के दूसरे इलेक्ट्रॉन से बॉन्ड बना चुका है. सेम वे वी विल डू दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस. नाउ हियर अप पहले हम x में भरेंगे, इसका डाउन आएगा, x का x में भरेंगे. दिस इज x, दिस इज y, दिस इज z. दिस इज x, दिस इज y, दिस इज z. तो x का ऊपर यहाँ भरेंगे, y का ऊपर यहाँ भरेंगे, z का ऊपर यहाँ भरेंगे. ठीक है. एंड एक और चीज है यहाँ पर, x down that will fill here, x down that will fill here. Rest it is empty. कितने शेल ऑर्बिट एम्प्टी रह रहे हैं? 2. pi star 2px, pi star 2py and sigma star 2pz is empty, right? This is step 3. This was step 3 actually. Filling of electron was step 3. Step 3 was filling of electron. Here I am writing step 3, filling of electron. Clear? Now step 4. Write configuration according to molecular orbital theory. This is molecular orbital theory. Now write sigma 1s. How many electrons are there? 2. समझ रहे हैं यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं? Now we will fill these configuration here. We will ignore this and this. We will fill only this center. Sigma 1s. How many electrons are there? 2. Then after that, what is there? Hello? What is
Sigma star
sigma star 1s 2. There. Then sigma 2s 2. Then do little fast because very less time left. 2s 2. Then
sigma 2pz
pi 2px 2, pi 2py 2, sigma 2pz 2, and pi star 2px 2. Right? Now, how to calculate bond? bond order. To calculate bond order, number of bonding minus anti-bonding, star is anti-bonding, upon 2. Count total, less than 1 minute left. Quickly count. जो स्टार वाले नहीं है वो 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus जो स्टार वाले हैं 2, 4, 5, 6.
6,
Calculate it.
2.
2. It means that between oxygen and oxygen there is double bond. That is called bond order. Between oxygen and oxygen there is double bond. तो O2 फॉर्मूला जो लिखा जाएगा उसके बीच में डबल बॉन्ड होगा. क्यों होगा? क्योंकि उसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर 2 आ रहा है.